Global warming is a long-term rise in Earth's temperature, caused primarily by human activities. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide traps heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation also contributes to global warming. Trees absorb carbon dioxide. Less trees mean more CO2 in the atmosphere. Industrial activities emit greenhouse gases. Such gases enhance the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect warms the planet. Effects include more extreme weather. Rising sea levels are another result. Ice caps melt, adding water to oceans. Global warming affects agriculture. Changes in climate impact crop yields. It threatens biodiversity. Species face habitat loss. Ocean acidification occurs due to CO2. Coral reefs suffer from acidification. Climate change increases health risks. Heat waves and pollution-related diseases rise. Efforts to combat global warming exist. Renewable energy sources are promoted. Reducing carbon footprints is crucial. International agreements aim to limit warming. Paris Agreement seeks to cap temperature rise. Individual actions do make a difference. Conserving energy reduces emissions. Planting trees helps combat deforestation. Education raises awareness on global warming.